ब्रेक के बाद आपका खैर मकदम है। कोरोना के असर से मईशत उबर रही है। वजीर खजाना निर्मला सीतारमन ने आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब किया। उन्होंने कहा कि मरकज के इकदामात के नतीजे में मईशत में सुधार हो रहा है। उन्होंने खुद कफील भारत पैकेज 3.0 का ऐलान किया। आत्मनिर्भर भारत 3.0 के तहत 12 ऐलानात किए गए हैं। इस स्कीम के तहत नए मुलाजमीन का अहाता किया जाएगा। निर्मला सीतारमन ने मजीद कहा कि जीएसटी कलेक्शन में बेहतरी आई है और बैंकों के कर्ज देने की रफ्तार में भी तेजी दर्ज की गई है।
The state of the economy, there is definitely a strong recovery seen that is emerging. Active cases of COVID have declined from 10 lakhs to 4.89 lakhs. And the case fatality rate has also come down. It is at 1.47 as it stands now, 1.47%. The next is about the energy consumption growth. That's been at a very high level. If you look at year-on-year comparison, it's at 12% October to October, 2020, 21. The GST collections, of course, even as it was announced, you know, had touched 1.05 crores, 1.05 lakh crores, and it's a 10% year-on-year comparison. You also seen that several prominent economists have been writing as to what is the nature of this rebound, and it is just not due to pent-up demand. It's a sustainable, strong economic growth that which is being read by many economists who have been writing and also noticing that this growth is also getting energized by the unrelenting reform pitch with which a lot of strong steps towards systemic reforms are being taken by the government. The emergency credit liquidity guarantee scheme which was announced, which came to be identified with just the MSMEs, which did not just help the MSMEs but also help professionals and others. Total amount sanctioned, it was a 3 lakh crore ECLGS, in which 2.05 lakh crores have been sanctioned to about 61 lakh borrowers. We also had announced at that time partial credit guarantee scheme through the public sector banks. They have bought portfolios worth 26,889 crores. Again, that also infused liquidity. And the last item here relates to how much of liquidity has been infused into the DISCOMs. 17 states have received a sanction of 118.273 crores. Am I right in saying that? 1,18,273 crores worth of loans have been sanctioned to about 17 states, of which 11 states have received disbursed amounts. Amounts have been released to them to the extent of 31,136 crores. The new scheme, which we are now calling as Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana, is being launched so that we incentivize creation of new employment opportunities so that the recovery phase benefits from it. What does this mean? It means that every EPFO registered establishment, those registered establishment, if they take new employees who never were covered by EPFO earlier, if they take them on, or if they bring in employees who had lost their jobs between 1st March 2020 and 30th September 2020, even they will be counted as new employees, although they may have an EPFO number earlier. Both will benefit from this.